My name is Jonathan White. I'm Professor of Politics at the LSE European Institute. One of the courses I shall be teaching this coming year is called Democracy, Ideology and the European State, EU447. This is a half-unit course that runs in the Michaelmas term, and it's a course that I've been teaching for more than 10 years now. You can see from the title, Democracy, Ideology and the European State, this is a course that has three key concepts at the heart of it. And I think it's a particularly interesting time now to be thinking about these concepts and how they interrelate, because a lot of scholars in recent years have wanted to say that we should put a post in front of each one of them: post-democracy, post-ideology, a post-statal Europe. People talk about post-democracy insofar as they highlight the decline of political parties, the decline of the old media, the rise of corporate power. People talk about post-ideology, especially in the years after the Cold War, saying that we see less political adversarialism, or at least less polarization of a left and right kind. And then you hear these arguments about a post-statal Europe, a Europe that's somehow gone beyond the state, both in the sense that the European Union is not itself a state, but nor is it just the instrument of states. And to some degree, it puts their sovereignty in question. Now, I'm not necessarily persuaded by all of these theses, but I do think it's interesting to ask, how did we get to this place? And I guess that's the point of this course. It looks first at how these three key concepts emerged as foundational concepts of modern politics. We take a historical approach to this. And then we look at how they evolved over the last 200 years or so. What did democracy, ideology, and the state come to mean over the course of the 19th and especially 20th centuries? And then finally, we come exactly to these arguments that I've just been describing, a world in which a lot of scholars want to say that we have gone beyond democracy, ideology, and the state, and have systematically put these concepts in question. This is a story that we continue right up to the present day through the most recent crises of European politics and society. The course is delivered as a combination of interactive lectures and seminars in the Michaelmas term, as I say, and it leads ultimately to a written assessment in the summer term.